Hi, I'm Mike. If your sprinkler system keeps running over and over, or at times that you didn't intend, don't assume your controller's messed up. It's likely you've made the single most common mistake I see with irrigation controllers. The confusion is almost always the difference between start times and run times. And once you understand the difference between the two, it makes setting up these controllers so much easier. And while I'm going to show you this on a Hunter, it's almost identical on orbits, on rainbirds, and other types of controllers. So let me show you just real quickly what it means. The start time is when a particular program is going to run. If you only want your sprinkler system to run once a day on however many days you set up, you only need to set up one start time. You don't need to set start time for A2, A3, A4. You only need one, and on this we're going to set it for A1 at 6 a.m. Then here, when we go to run times, this is not program A1. This is program A zone 1. It is saying that zone 1 is going to run for 20 minutes. Zone 2 is going to run for 20 minutes. Zone 3 is going to run for 20 minutes. And zone 4 is going to run for 20 minutes. That's what the start times and run times mean. And just very quickly, program A is set to run Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You change that by hitting the plus or minus to turn certain stations or certain days off and on. But again, you only need, under most circumstances, one start time for any program. I've got a more detailed video that explains each of these settings, but I just wanted to clear up start times versus run times. Start times, this is program A1, and it's going to start at 6 a.m. If we wanted to run twice a day, we would set a second start time, and those zones would run again at 10 p.m. if we left this like this, but we're going to turn it back off. Run times, where you see A1, that is not program A1, it's program A zone 1. I hope this clears things up for you. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.